I'm Ajay and I'm from The Right Marketing. The Right Marketing specializes in digital marketing. So we cover all forms of marketing, including pay-per-click, SEO. The main problems we were facing before I turned up to James's masterclass was, as a digital marketing agency in Birmingham, we were providing our customers with various services from SEO to PPC, as well as LinkedIn advertising. But what we were missing out on was that one piece of powerful jigsaw, which was Facebook advertising. By attending this training course now, we are now able to understand it as well as provide the service to our customers. In order to solve the problem about learning Facebook advertising and social media marketing, we have tried various different things and have spent thousands of pounds, from online courses to ebooks to buying books. And they just do not work, or they did not work for us, because we wanted an environment whereby some expert is standing there and delivering high quality content and demonstrating how it actually works and how to implement these strategies that we are being taught. This masterclass is going to change our business rapidly, because all of a sudden we are now going to be able to offer Facebook advertising as a marketing platform to our customers. If you want to learn anything about Facebook advertising, the only channel I would recommend to everyone is to attend James Nicholson's Digital Marketing Masterclass. This is the only channel I would recommend, because I have tried online marketing books, downloading PDFs, all sorts of things. I've even tried attending various seminars and events. None of them have given me the value that this particular training has provided to me.